The ancient commanders were unfathomable. It is rumored that this was Cao Cao's favorite plaything when he was a child, because it is entangled with the same birth lock. The gameplay is to separate these two inseparable bronze buckles. I heard that few people in the world know his solution, through observation. The two brass buckles are not completely closed. There are gaps. But if you pull directly at the gap, this is fundamentally inseparable. A little smarter will think of making the gap of the two copper buckles match the gap. Maybe it can be separated. If you think so too, that would be a big mistake. No matter which angle you adjust to, it will be blocked. Every link is accompanied by each other. It's a step-by-step trap. It's tough. Many people here may choose to give up. They think it's inseparable. Don't lose heart at this moment. After I patiently pondered for 49 hours, finally discovered that the key to solving the puzzle is the mastery of details and the use of reverse thinking. Next, please follow my steps closely. First, flip the copper buckle of the right hand up 90 degrees, come around in half a circle, over the mountains and mountains, so you go straight ahead to the end. Now the two copper ports are still firmly locked together, can't break free. A crucial action at this time. You need to rotate the copper port on it clockwise for half a turn. Slide down to the groove, then it leans to the left. Come out of the gap. When the two brass buckles closed again, successfully separated, do you think you can give some applause at this time?
It is said that these are the two keys that Liu Bei gave to Zhang Fei. It's called brotherly key luck. Liu Bei told Zhang Fei that he could separate the two keys. Just grant him a wish. At that time, it took Zhang Fei 49 days, with a splitting headache, almost insane. It also failed to separate them. If you want to get out of here or out of here, you can't. It's all stuck. Can't get out at all. After careful observation, we found a gap here. Let's try to come out of this gap again. Still not working. 99% of people get here and start to doubt. Are the two keys inseparable at all? In fact, this is a blindfold specially set up by the ancients. The gap is only used to confuse you. The ancients were really smart. I heard that few people have been able to take it out so far. Do you know how to get it out? In fact, to take it out, you have to climb mountains and mountains to get here before you can get out. Now let me show you how it works. First, turn the key over. Rotate 180 degrees counterclockwise through the ironed pillar. What should I do if I can't get through here? Don't worry. Use reverse thinking. Turn the left key around. This will pass smoothly again. Here we go again. Enter the figure 8 hole. Go along for a walk, and there it is. Do you think there can be some applause at this time?